What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And yes, so I just wanted to do a quick update on the Dell Optiplex 790. So let's go. Anyways, I have a little bit of bad news. The hard drive, the 1 terabyte hard drive that was in this thing, is corrupted. I don't know what happened, but I installed, so yeah, I had to take the hard drive out. Luckily, I had a 512 gigabyte SSD lying around, so I just hooked that up. Then I installed Windows 8.1, and then upgraded to Windows 10 and then 11. And then I also installed Windows 7 on there, so the system's being dual booted. So yeah, that's the update. Let's see it in action. There's the monitor and then the computer. See how fast it boots up now. I'm gonna tell you, it's a lot faster with the SSD than it is with the hard drive. So there's Windows 11 logo. System is dual booting, so yeah. So we have Windows 11, Windows 7, and then we have this Windows setup. I'm not sure what this is. Windows setup. If you can help me, let me know down below. I just don't know how it's there. Anyway, let's boot to Windows 11. Now, I actually have a video clip of the initial upgrade. I'm gonna show it at the end of the video. But yeah, so let's and I also I installed Windows 8.1 on the SSD first. Oh yeah, I already told you guys. So I have a clip of that as well. So I'm gonna show you guys at the end of the video. So yeah, let's click sign in. I'm actually sign in real quick, and then we'll see the desktop. So be right back. All right, guys. So we're on the desktop. If it will focus. So yeah, just a quick disclaimer. Had an SSD upgrade, and we have Windows 11 and Windows 7 on it. So if it will focus, let's just come on, focus. Focus. Come on. There we go, alright. So yeah, this is Windows 11. Windows 11 22H2. Look how fast it is. It's pretty fast. Yep. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And here's the clips from the upgrades. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yes, we're installing Windows 11 on Windows 10. I'll even prove it to you. There. The reason being is because, so what happened was the hard drive sadly got corrupted. I don't know what happened, but yeah, we have an SSD, and we're upgrading to Windows. I installed Windows 10 a while ago, and we're upgrading it to Windows 11. I also have an install of Windows 7 as well, so yeah. just a quick update on the Dell Optiplex 790. Anyways, I'll see you guys here in a bit once we're on the Windows 11 desktop. Alright guys, so we're on the desktop, as you can see. And I'll even prove it to you, Windows 10 22H2. Windows 11 22H2. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.